Hi friends, welcome to Max Trader. Stocks to watch on 17/1/2022. In this video, we are going to see about some stocks which we can trade in the week starting on 17/1/2022. Max Trader, our YouTube channel. Like it, share it, subscribe it. First, we are going to see about Nifty Bank. This is spot. We are going to see how it's going to work. In the coming week, if it breaks these levels of 38,845, it's good for buying. If it breaks the levels of 37,608, it's negative for the Bank Nifty. But all other things seems to be good. If it breaks the levels of 38,845, you can see the levels of 40,000 in the coming week. But wait till the breakouts. Let it be on higher side or lower side. If it is in sideways, please avoid positional trades. Next, we are going to see about Nifty. When compared to Bank Nifty, Nifty seems to be very stronger. In the coming week, it should break the levels of 18,290 or 18,300 levels. Only if it breaks and sustains above 18,300 levels, we can see good up move till 18,600 and 18,700. That means we can see a fresh high in Nifty in coming days if it breaks and closes above 18,300 levels. So it should not break 17,798. That means 17,800 should not be broken in Nifty. In the coming week, if something happens and if it breaks that levels, we should be safe. As the long positions are squaring off, we can see some selling pressure coming in the Nifty. In the coming week, please wait for 18,300 to break for buying levels or 18,000 break for selling levels. Wait and watch, trade safely. Stocks which we can watch in the coming week or Bpcl. First stock which we can watch in the coming week is Bpcl. In the coming week, if it breaks these levels of 402, then you can go for a buying in this stock with a stop loss of 383. This is for positional trades. If 383 is broken in the coming days, then you can see some selling coming in this stock. But all other things seems to be good. It will break the levels of 402. That means 402 in the coming days and see good up move till 420. So be patient to cross the 402 levels. Next stock which we are going to see is Bank. This stock is coming from the below and reaching the resistance point. The resistance point now seems to be at 228.50 levels. In the coming days, if it breaks that levels and if it closes above the 228.50, then it's good for buying. Then what will be the target? The targets will be around 245 and then it may reach about 260 also. It's for positional trades. You can see W formation and channel breakout formation in this stock. So wait for the close above 228.50. All other bank stocks seems to be weaker in the last 3 days, but this stock seems to be very strong. So watch for the breakouts in this stock. Next important stock which we are going to see is Kotak Bank. In the last 3 days, so we have to wait for these levels, that means 1977 levels to break. In the coming week, if it breaks these levels, then it's good for buying. Or else, if it breaks the levels of 1900, then you can see some selling pressure coming in this stock. So in the meantime, if it trades between these two lines, that means 1900 to 1976, please be safer on your trades. But if it breaks the levels of 1977, then the targets will be 2010 and 2040. If it breaks the levels of 1900, then you can see 8,840 in coming days. So be alert and wait for these levels to come and trade safely. Next stock which we are going to see is Hdfc Pack. Wait for this 1577 to break for good positional trade. Or else you have to wait for 1519 to break in the lower side. This stock seems to be in accumulation for the last few days. So if it breaks these levels, then you can see good up move in this stock. Reliance, very important stock of Indian stock market, seems to have a very good resistance at these levels of 2568. So if it breaks these levels of 2568 in coming days, then only you can see good up move. 2456 seems to be a last support for this stock. In this long trend, if it breaks this 2456 levels and closes below that, then you can see selling pressure in this stock. So wait for 2568 to break for buying or 2456 for selling. Ultra Simcoe, an important cement stock, waiting for a breakout. If it breaks the levels of 7733, then good up move is waiting for this stock. Or else if it breaks the levels of 7549, you can see selling pressure coming in this stock. So wait for 7732 to break or 7549 to break. Till then, watch, that's better. This video is only for educational purpose. Trade according to your own wish. Thank you.